Hey guys, and welcome to another video with the
Alabama Fishing Bros. I'm Logan.
And I'm Grant.
Today we will be fishing with Noodles.
The noodle has about a 12. You can see how our noodles are made. Go check out our last video in the link in the description.
And today we'll be using some of our mystery tackle box baits we got. We got the hook we got the Mudville Catmaster hook we got from a mystery tackle box, and then we got this other hook which has a leader on it, and this one's used for stink bait.
Please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell.
Share this video with your friends so we can get over to 1,000 total views on our channel.
Now it's time to throw out the noodles. Just got the noodles out and we have a big fish.
Where's the dip net? Got a little blue catfish.
If you can hear him, he's grunting.
The first one we caught was the blue catfish.
Let's see how much it weighs.
We go about to this thing. Hold it right here. It weighs it's a little bit over 3 pounds. It's a nice blue catfish.
We have a fish on!
So we got the noodle right over here. Grant, pull it up. You get the net. Oh, it's a big blue catfish.
Oh God! Oh, get the
We got the fish! So this is the stink bait that we're using. It really smells bad. Now it's time to throw the rod out.
The stink bait is made out of liver and cheese. The fourth yellow one.
Green one.
Green one.
We're sorry, he's colorblind.
That one?
Yeah, thanks. Oh yeah, we got a fish.
Okay, come on, Bill. Dang it.
Come on.
It's this green one right here. We think we finally got a fish. You ready, Grant?
Got another bite over here.
Where?
Got another bite over here.
Oh, this one is a fish for sure.
He's a fighter.
Oh, it's a nice little channel catfish. We got him in the boat. We caught 4 fish on this trip.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned next time.
Where we'll be smoking some of the catfish we caught. Like and subscribe.
And hit the notification bell.
Bye.
Tune in next time. Bye.